New York Congressman George Santos is facing criminal charges. Here's what we know so far. Santos was charged by federal prosecutors in the Eastern District of New York. Investigators have been looking into his campaign finances. Santos is also facing several other investigations for lying on his resume before the election. Here's what we know. Here's what we don't know, actually. We don't know what those charges are. They will remain sealed until Santos appears in court, which could be as soon as today. Eyewitness News reporter Derek Waller live at the courthouse in Central Islip. Good morning, Derek.
Shirlene, good morning. The House of Representatives is in session today, but one Congressman George Santos, will not be there working on any legislation. Instead, he's expected to be here in federal court in Central Islip, answering to a criminal indictment, a federal indictment. Santos has been under siege ever since it was revealed that he lied about large portions of his life in order to get elected. The lies appear to be catching up to him. The charges remain under seal, but we do know that at least 5 different agencies have been investigating him over his campaign finances, including the Department of Justice and the FBI. Local and state authorities have also have their own investigations underway. Santos has been accused of violating federal campaign finance laws by concealing the true sources of his campaign donations, misrepresenting campaign spending, and illegally using campaign funds for personal expenses. At least 8 of his fellow House Republicans have called on him to resign, and so have lawmakers here on Long Island.
So maybe this reality of being brought to justice might get him to do the right thing, because his campaign was built on lies.
George Santos needs to be expelled because the people in my district need this national embarrassment to be over once and for all.
Well, so far, House Speaker Kevin McCarthy has not called on Santos to resign. He has removed him from all of his committees, actually. But McCarthy says that if he is convicted, then it's time for Santos to go.